The Suzuki Alto 2026 continues its legacy as one of the most affordable and practical hatchbacks in the compact car segment. Designed for city driving, it maintains its lightweight structure and easy maneuverability, making it a perfect choice for first-time car buyers, small families, and those who prioritize fuel economy. With updates in design, comfort, and technology, the 2026 model enhances its reputation as a dependable daily driver. On the exterior, the new Suzuki Alto 2026 features a refreshed front grille, sharper headlights, and a slightly more aerodynamic body design. While it retains its compact dimensions, subtle enhancements make it look modern and stylish without losing the simple appeal it has been known for. The alloy wheels in higher trims add a premium touch, and the overall look now fits better into the modern urban landscape. The interior of the 2026 Alto has been given more attention compared to previous generations. While still basic, it now includes improved upholstery, better dashboard materials, and a more ergonomic layout. Space remains tight, as expected in a compact hatchback, but Suzuki has made clever use of available dimensions to provide enough legroom and headroom for short trips around the city. Technology has also seen an upgrade in this model. Depending on the trim, the Suzuki Alto 2026 comes with a touchscreen infotainment system supporting Bluetooth and smartphone connectivity. Air conditioning, power windows, and keyless entry are available in higher trims, making the car feel more user-friendly and practical. However, the entry-level variant remains very simple for buyers looking strictly for affordability. Performance-wise, the Alto 2026 comes equipped with a small yet efficient engine designed for fuel economy over power. It is available in both manual and automatic transmission options, offering flexibility for different driver preferences. While it is not a high-speed performer, its lightweight and responsive steering make it agile and easy to handle in congested urban areas. One of the biggest strengths of the Suzuki Alto 2026 is its fuel efficiency. With rising fuel costs, the model stands out by delivering excellent mileage, making it one of the most economical cars in its category. It is particularly appealing for budget-conscious drivers who want to minimize running costs without compromising on reliability. Safety features in the new Alto have also been slightly improved. Basic safety equipment such as airbags, ABS, and seatbelt reminders are available in most trims, while higher trims offer more comprehensive protection. Though it cannot compete with premium cars in terms of advanced safety technology, it provides a reasonable level of assurance for its class. Ride quality is modest but suitable for its intended purpose. The suspension is tuned for city driving, meaning it absorbs small bumps fairly well, though rough roads may challenge its stability. Noise insulation is limited, but this is expected in an entry-level hatchback, and drivers will appreciate its lightweight feel during short commutes. When it comes to practicality, the Suzuki Alto 2026 delivers a decent boot space for groceries and small luggage, though it remains limited compared to larger hatchbacks. The rear seats can fold to extend storage capacity, giving users flexibility when carrying slightly larger items. For its size, it makes smart use of available room. Affordability is a key selling point, and Suzuki continues to price the Alto competitively in 2026. It targets buyers who want a low-maintenance, fuel-efficient, and reliable car at an accessible price. Its lower servicing costs and wide availability of spare parts make it an even more attractive option in emerging markets. The Suzuki Alto 2026 also appeals to environmentally conscious buyers thanks to its small engine size and lower emissions. Some variants may include mild hybrid technology in select regions, further improving efficiency and reducing environmental impact, aligning with global automotive trends toward eco-friendliness. Overall, the Suzuki Alto 2026 strikes a balance between affordability, efficiency, and modern updates. While it cannot compete with premium hatchbacks in terms of comfort, performance, or features, it succeeds in delivering a reliable, budget-friendly option for everyday driving. Its reputation for durability, combined with the new improvements, ensures that it will remain a popular choice in the small car segment.